Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So last time I wasn't able to show you guys the installation for the rear turn signal for my RAV4 Prime 2021. So I'll be doing a step-by-step installation, show you guys how to remove the back lights and how to change the rear signal lights. All right, let's get to it. So for the installation, we're going to be using some LED lights that I ordered from Amazon. So these are the Oxylam LEDs. So these are the 7440 amber. That's the one I have here. I will put the links to the products in the description. So these are the ones I replaced for the front ones as well. Really good. They're really bright. So if you do like them, I read some good reviews on Amazon, so I got these. Next off, we have some pry tools. That's going to be helpful to remove the panels, and finally, a 10mm socket. So the rear signal is right here. To remove it, we do have to open the trunk, and once that's opened, we're gonna have access to it. So you have this panel here, which should come off just by removing it. There you go. A few clips. And then we have two bolts here. Yep, exactly, 2 10mm. So that's the one we're gonna be removing. Right. So I got these two off. Now it's just pulling this out. So the way you have to take this out is pretty much pull it outwards. There's still a cable connected, so you don't want to pull too much on it. So I'm gonna try to do this with two hands. I'll see if I can catch this. There you go. So that was very easy. So we have one clip here, one that goes here, and you have these two that were attached. So now that the assembly is out, I don't know if you saw well on the other clip. So you have the clip here, then you have another one here that goes right here, and you have these two right here. So the bulb is here. So these are the LED ones from the brake light. The one we want to change is this one here. So this is the signal one. Et voila. So just swap these for the new one, and you're all set. So the bulb is on. You want to make sure you test it first before putting it in. And as you could see, there's a huge difference between the stock one on the right and the LED one which is on the driver's side. So I'm about to replace the other side here with the LED bulb. So I just wanted to mention to everyone, when you do get these bulbs, make sure you get ones with included resistors. So what happens is, if you do not get the one with the resistance, it's gonna hyper flash. So hyper flash is pretty much like your car thinks there is no bulb, or the bulb is actually burned out, and it's gonna start flashing really fast. So you don't want that happening with your bulbs. So get the ones with good quality that has resistance in it. And also look at the reviews, because some that do have resistance in it tend to overheat. So get a good quality one. So these had good reviews, so I got these. They should do the job, so I'm just gonna test them out for a few months and see if I have any issues. And I'll be posting the links for the product in the description. That's it, folks. We are done installing the LED lights. As you can see, both lights are working, LEDs, so it does make a huge difference. So much more visible at night. I also want to point out that mine were a little easier to take out because they were already taken out before when I was doing the rust proofing. So it might be a little harder for you. So give it a little more force if you need to come off. You're not going to break anything unless you really rip off the wires. So just careful, enough force, but don't rip off the wires that it's actually connected to. And as for rust proofing, we do receive a lot of questions in the forums. Can you rust proof a hybrid car, plug-in hybrid? Yes, you can, especially in Canada, here in Montreal where I live. A lot of snow, a lot of salt, so it is necessary for us. I do suggest you go to a specialized place that knows how to actually treat the cars with the batteries. For my case, I went to Anserouille-Bolduc, which is located in Quebec. So they've done a great job, and they do actually remove the lights. They remove a lot of components, some parts at the door too. So they really go inside in to do the rust proofing, and really important, they don't drill any holes underneath the car. So that's it, folks. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you have any suggestions, any comments, write them below, and I'll see you next time.